Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we'll show you how you can play JoJo's Bizarre Adventure or any other Mugen game using the new app called Winlator. Let's not wait any longer and dive right into the tutorial. Go to the video description and click the Winlator download link. If you see the page, you have to click Releases, scroll down a bit, and you should see the newest Winlator APK. Right now, the newest APK version is 1.1. and the newest OBB is 1.0. Newer ones will release in the future though. So that being said, right now we will download the 1.0 OBB. Let's also install the app that just finished downloading. Once you have installed both the OBB and the APK of Winlator, it's time to copy the OBB file you have downloaded to the Android OBB folder. To do that without root, you need to open the Play Store, then search for Files. Download the app I am showing you. The links will be in the description of course. If you open the Winlator app, you will notice that it will give an error message. This is because we haven't copied over the OBB file to the Android OBB folder. To do that, open the Files app you just installed. Then navigate to your Downloads folder. In the top right, you will see the three dots. Tap on that, then New Window. Now use split screen like I am showing you. In the second screen, navigate to Android. obb/com.winlator. If the folder isn't there, create one. Now all you have to do to copy the OBB file over is to press and hold the OBB file in the first window and drag it over to the second split screen window. If you followed all steps correctly, the OBB file should be moved without any errors. Now, open the Winlator app. It should install the OBB image you have just copied. This might take a while. Once it's done installing, you can press the plus button on the top right corner. Name the container whatever you want. Now it's important to pick a 4:3 resolution, or else the JoJo Mugen game will be stretched. I will be picking 1024 by 768, but if you are experiencing any lag, then you can use a lower 4:3 resolution to improve performance and get more FPS. You can leave the DX wrapper in the default setting. Make sure to tick all cores in processor affinity. If you want to see your FPS, then you can enable it here. Inside of the DX Components Settings tab, you can leave everything by default. Only change direct sound to native. Last but not least, go to the Drives tab. If you want to use the Downloads folder, but a different folder instead, then delete the drive that's present and press on the Add button. Navigate to the folder you've made for Winlator. I will be using my Exagear folder. Press on Use this folder and then Allow. If that's all set up, then you are ready to create the container. You can't play a game without controls, so let's fix that. Tap on the top left and head over to Input Controls. Check the links in the YouTube description and download the control scheme that I've made for this game. Press Import Profile and then select the controls you have just downloaded. It should be an ICP file. Inside of here and the controls editor, you can edit the controls if you want. The final piece we need is the game itself. Again, all links are in the description. Scroll down the GameJolt page until you see the download button for the Mugen game. Make sure you download the Mugen game and not the Eichmann version. Once it's installed, use a File Explorer to extract the RAR file. I'm using a My Explorer. The link of that will also be in the video description, so make sure to check it out. Also, copy the game over to the folder you have selected in your Winlator container settings. Now, go to the JoJo Mugen game, then Data, and open the file Mugen CFG. Scroll down until you see Game Width and Game Height. Edit it so that it matches the resolution selected in the Winlator container. Now continue scrolling until you see Render Mode. System will work on all devices. OpenGL can give you more FPS, but it can show a black screen when playing. DirectX is similar to OpenGL, but it requires setting the container to DXVK and installing DirectX drivers. Try all three and see which one works the best for you. Edit the window size to match your container resolution as well. Enable full screen and keep aspect ratio. If you've done all of that, then you're done. It's time to launch the game. Once you have opened the container, navigate to Drive D. Then double-click the game folder. The game executable should be here. For easy access in the future, with 2 fingers, then press Create Shortcut to make a shortcut. To launch the game, simply double-tap on the exe file. To enable the controls, swipe or press back. Input controls, press the drop-down menu. Then the control scheme have created or downloaded. Then OK. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, then please do not hesitate and ask them either in the YouTube comment section or my Discord server in the description. If this tutorial worked for you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day and enjoy playing JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.